What's good, my beautiful Fizz fam loyals? This your girl Queen. See me back on your screen. Can you see me? Can you see me now? How about now? Cool, that's what's up. Hope you guys are doing good, feeling good. Did you calm down moment and breathing? Staying true, and staying prayed up. Your girl is back with another delicious mukbang. Okay? And this is my dinner mukbang, guys. Okay? So I'm about to show you guys what I have on deck, up close and personal. Check it. Alright guys, my dinner consists of some delicious veggies with broccoli, carrot, red peppers, garbanzo, Italian, and white beans, along with some delicious yellow rice and some vegan chicken tenders, guys. And everything is super delicious. Alright, now that you guys know what I'm about to eat, your girl is ready to say her prayer and get it in. Alright. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body, and I pray for the less fortunate. Amen. Amen. Alright guys, yes, I decided to do a dinner mukbang this time because I have been doing breakfast. I love breakfast, and that's the reason why I do a lot of breakfast. Okay, so time to get it in. Now guys, on these veggie tenders, they are super good. I do like to use this honey garlic sauce. It's so good. I love to use this honey garlic sauce. And you guys know I always have on deck with me my agua, my aqua, my H2O, guys. And since I've been drinking so much water, doing pretty good with that, I decided to have my mango Gatorade. Okay? So let me go ahead and eat. Called a quick itch. Oh, excuse me. Woo. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this delicious dinner mukbang that I had. I didn't want to talk this time until after I was done. I do that sometimes. Oh, my mouth is burning from that sauce. It's spicy. So yes, guys, I've been dropping some good videos and pranks, and I dropped 2 pranks. I have another one coming. Also, I've been dropping some bubblegum chewing. You guys can check that out. I will have another one of those coming as well. So, been dropping them like, like hotcakes. So you guys, please go and check them out. I really appreciate it. We appreciate it. I gotta say we, because all of us queens, we thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this here mukbang show. All right, and make sure that you let everybody know what's going on over here on the Healthiest Queens Vlogs channel. Be sure to come back for more entertainment. We have so much more to share. I mean, it's just stuff galore that I want to, and we want to share with you guys. So make sure you like up, okay, and subscribe and share and all that good stuff, okay? So it is a wrap, a snap, and a clap, guys, okay? All right, so until you see your girl Queen Simi on your screen next time, I am signing out, and I love you guys too. Pieces.